The fastest way to farm attempts is you simply want to go to the builder icon of create a new level, and you basically want to create a new level like so. And basically when you're on the level, you want to go to the very start of it, and you want to go to the spikes icon right here, and you basically want to place spike like this, one here, one here, one here, and one here. And you basically want to edit these objects so that they face this direction. And once you've edited these spikes to make it look like this, you simply want to go back to the builder icon, go to the color tabs, and go over to the tab until you see this option called the time warp option. When you see this time warp, you simply want to click on it, put one right here just below the start of the level, and basically you want to click on the edit object option and put it on max speed. Once you've done that, you want to go to the orb option, go to the side a few times, hit this 4 speed portal, which you can see we can place right here, and you can see we've basically built our thing. Now we want to leave the screen and basically go to the unstart of the very game, and we want to modify the setting in settings, where you can click on the option called options right here and basically check this box called enable faster reset. Once you've done that, you can see right here, if we go back to the icon of the level that we just created, we can view it and click on the start option, and you can see we can simply farm a ton of attempts in just a few seconds, and it'll obviously speed up just like so. You can always let this run while you sleep. Now personally, I farmed 500 plus attempts in 4 minutes using this method, but yeah, just let this run while your phone's away.